So I just filmed a video about a slime. Well, I purchased a slime package from a girl named squishy.squishy.people on Instagram, and a lot of people said she was really good, so I went to her, I bought from her, and since people said she was really good, I bought her from her, and I just posted it, so it's not up yet, it's still uploading. The video I just posted, and it was a scam. Like everyone said, she was such a good slime dealer, and I got completely scammed. And since everyone said she was a good slime and squishy dealer, I bought 2 packages. So it just came in the mail. So we're gonna see if this one's worth it or not. And I ordered 1 slime and 2 squishies. And I'm kind of looking at it, and it's kind of looking. So yeah, let's just get started. It came in the same box, the Bella box. Um, I remember how to open it. Okay. I remember I bought rotten popcorn, baseball squishy, tennis ball squishy, and that's it. So I see a little 2-ounce container slime. Oh my gosh, please don't say this is my 8-ounce rotten popcorn, because I ordered something like that. And it's green, and it has silver glitter. And it's full to the top. So, just saying, this is my Excedra light. This brightness. It's actually a really good slime. That's actually a good slime. I guess this is my extra. This is actually a good slime. I'll give you guys a close-up. Okay, so guys set up. So here's the slime up close. As you guys can see, it's a pretty good slime. Okay, I'm gonna get you guys back up. So it's actually a really nice slime, but let's go on to the next thing. Hoping that slime was an extra. I see an 8-ounce container, but it's not filled to the top. But this is exactly what buttered popcorn looked like on her Instagram account. It's supposed to be scented like buttered popcorn, so. Oh gosh, that is nice. It does smell like buttered popcorn. It's supposed to have whole fishbowl beads in it, like it does. It's supposed to be a green throw up color. Guys, she actually sent it. But she didn't send the slime full. But it's actually a good slime. She sent the only slime I ordered, so that had to be an extra slime. So I think when I emailed her after that, she changed her mind and I guess messed with shipping and did something else, or canceled that shipping and sent it today for me. So this is a good slime. Here, I'll show you. Okay, so you up. Okay. Oh, sorry. So that's what it looks like. I'm surprised. She sent me a good slime. Okay, so let's put this away and check out the other things I got, because I ordered a baseball and tennis ball squishy. They are supposed to be licensed. I see a baseball squishy! It's licensed! Oh my gosh. It has like this dent in it right here. But that's okay. There's no defects. No defects. What? It's dense, but it's a good. It's not that slow rising, but I'm surprised. Very surprised. Wow, that's tennis ball. Oh, it has an indent too, but I don't care. Like, if there's any defects, I'll care, but. And it's licensed. Again, it's dense, but not so rising, but it's. I'm surprised. No, wait, there is defects. Okay, but that's okay. Small defects. I'm so surprised. I'm actually happy with my slime package this time. And squishy package. I love it, but this is the last things I got in my other squishy slime and squishy package was this dumb stuff, this dumb thing, and whatever the heck this is. But she stepped up. This seems like more squishy. Okay, she stepped up her game. I'm so happy. I love my squishy slime package I just received. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go buy from Squishy, Squishy People. Bye.